Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see how an Angular project structure will be. So before that, I'm going to run one of the Angular project that I created in my previous video. So let's see whether it's running right now. I guess it's not working right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create, taking a new window for new terminal window. Yeah, I have my app window already open. So this is the app that I created in my last video. So right now what I'm going to do is I will add some comments here. Some comments that we are not used in my previous video. So the first comment I'm going to show you how we will run a Angular project. So we already we already discussed how we will run an Angular project. We can use ngserve. This will automatically load that particular application in our 4025 port. But if I need to run an application in a separate, different host and a port, how I will do that? That is our question for today. So right now I'm running it in 4200. So if you are going 4200, I can get that app. So what I need to do is I need to I need to run in different port and different host. Let's see how it will work. So I am using the same command ngserve, but I'm using a host option here, and I will make it as a 0 0 and 0. And here I need to mention my port also. So port, I am going for some different port, 4205. So it's saying like unknown option dot g. So there is something that I need to change. Okay, right now it's saying like my port number is changed. So I'm trying to run on the same port. I got the error. So right now I change my port and I got it. So that's one of the commands that's very useful whenever we are testing some application or something and we have two or more application, we can do that one. Now what we are going to do is we are going to the structure of a typical Angular application. So I have that Angular application already took in my Visual Studio Code, and here the first one, E2E. The E2E is a end-to-end test folder. So tractor is using for testing. So we will see how we will do the testing in coming videos. But right now we are just mentioning this is the folder for end-to-end testing. So there are so many things here. Probably we need to discuss about all of these things, how the testing end-to-end testing works. The other thing is the second folder you can see here is node modules. So what is node modules? Node modules include all the packages that we are installed using the npm. So here we can see so many packages that we are using for this particular application. So each package, zone.js, there are so many things here, probably all the libraries. So that's for node module package. Like the name indicates, it's for node modules. Then src folder. So src folder is the main folder. Our main focus should be on src app folder, where all the components and probably services, enums, directive, modules, everything is inside this one. And for each component, usually we have each modules we have a separate folder. Each component also we will have a separate folder. So that's src folder. Src folder, what else we have in src? Src folder we have environment also. If you are going here, it's saying like production is true. We will discuss that further somewhere around our tutorials in future. This one production false environment.ts. And let's see how we will use for production environment. Uh, this file can be replaced during build by using the file replacement array ng build prod. We are using this, yeah, our building process. It will take the product environment. So we have choices here. I mean, in the initial cases in our own local host environment, we can use the same one. But if we are going for a production based one, we can use this one. It will take the production parameters. Also, we need to see what we can define here in environment. So that's one of the things. There is an asset folder. So asset folder, what we will have, we need to see that one. And in src, what else we have? There is a test declaration styles dot the main one. This is the main file. This we are using for our application. If you are going here and if you are view page source, you can see some of this here. So if I am going here and I am comparing that with this one, we can see that most of the things is here. Viewport is there, header is there, body is there, app root is there. Only the scripts that are missing, that's added by added by Angular. So this is the main.js. So it's enabling production environment and that kind of things. And also polyfills.ts. Probably we will see each item separately. Style.cs. No one need to uh, explain that one. Test.ts. Someone need to explain. So that's all about src folder. So our main focus is on src folder. Then another main important folder is angular.js, angular.json. It's include the project name, schema, version, that kind of things. Styles also included here. So whenever if you have something like something we need to add here, we can do here. I mean, if you have some external site sheet that need to include here, not external, you are creating your custom style sheet and you need to include that, you can do here. Also some of the script also you can include here. You will see that in my future videos probably. Also some other things also there, but we don't need to discuss about that. Then another one, editor config. So editor config for the config file for the editor. So that's exactly character set, indent style. So this used for each editor. So it's a meta description of editor configuration. Then git ignore. So whenever if you are adding this project into Git, there will be a gitignore file itself. Usually in our system, we will create a gitignore file and we'll provide some information that Git need to be ignored. Git will not take care of about the changes on that folder or files. So basically, whenever I am building my application, it's automatically come in Angular, so we don't need to worry about that. Then package.json, that's the main one. So package.json include libraries will be installed into node modules when running. So if we are going the node modules, we can see so many things. So this all taken from here. So animation, compiler forms, router, and there are some dependency one also karma, prot- protractor for testing. Everything is there. So this all included in package.json. That's all about the overall architecture of a Angular application. Then, then in next videos we will discuss about what is app module, declaration, imports, providers to bootstrap, that kind of thing. I will come with that in my next video. So thank you for watching this video.